Hello friends, I am Arpita. Welcome to my channel Jharna Gallery. Hope you are all well. Whenever you want to draw something, search Jharna Gallery in YouTube and get so many beautiful scenery and subject drawings with easy drawing steps. So, without wasting your time, let's see what we draw today. Let's start. Follow steps of the drawing carefully. Please use mask and sanitizer. Draw lightly so that if you do a mistake during drawing, you erase it easily. I have increased the speed of the video a little bit as the length of the video will get increased. You can slow down the playback speed of the video so that you can properly understand the drawing steps. Now I erase the unnecessary lines. Join button is now activated in our channel. Join our VIP membership to get extra drawings for your practice. If you have any queries about drawing, please comment me. I will clear your all doubt about drawing. Now I erase the unnecessary lines. If you want to know how I color it, please watch my video till end. It will be helpful for you. You can draw it in your art competition. Now I use black sketch pen for highlighting the drawing. So sketching is complete. Now it's time to color it. I use oil pastel colors to color it. Let's see. Use orange color. yellow color. Use gray color. Use deep green color. Use light green color. Use light yellow color. Use cerulean blue hue color. Use light blue color. Use brown color. Use yellow ochre color. Use flesh tint color. Use dark brown color. Use rose pink color. Use pink color. Use primary red color. Use white color. Use black color. Now I use cotton earbuds for smoothing the color. use Prussian blue color. Use violet color. Now my painting is complete. Thank you so much for watching till end. If the video was helpful for you, then please like the video and leave a comment. Please subscribe our channel for more drawing videos and press the bell icon for further notification. See you in another new video. Now you can follow me on social media. Links are in description below. Thank you. Take care.